Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Gracias.
Alin. Alright. So, is my order in?
Yes, it is.
Let's see. So, my wideband has arrived. Oh. Look at that. Okay, we got cables. We got the feed, I think. This is the Bosch sensor, the O2 sensor. This goes on the exhaust. And we also got a spare panel. So we got a black one and a white one.
Okay.
Nice. So yeah, that's it. My O2 sensor has arrived. Hang on, hang on. Ben! What's up, man? Yes, that's it. First unboxing.
Oh my god, you got it with money!
No, that was for the ding. Minapahingat eh. AJ, yeah. AJ. First gen. Nice.
You finally seen the car, huh?
Huh? Yeah. Oh.
Yes, I still mean to make a vid about the car, but just
No time. Okay. So I didn't have time to install my wideband sensor yet, but I'm guessing I will be doing that in the upcoming days. Fawaka YouTube, Dano here. I will be test driving my car today, just to kind of troubleshoot, check out what's going on, what needs to be done, etc. So I will be hitting the pavement, and I will take you guys along for the ride. But before we go into this test drive, I want to point out that last Friday I have been on an aeroplane for the very first time. My friend Akash was the pilot, and we flew above Paramaribo city. Unfortunately, I was feeling nauseous, so I couldn't really focus on filming, but I did manage to film a short footage, and we will jump to that real quick.
It is cold. Master switch on. Master switch is on. Okay. Climb as required. Throttle open 1/8 of an inch. Propeller radar clear. Ignition start. All check. Clear! Start engine. Watch pressure.
Yeah, let's start it up. Sounds good. So I'm still on the dirt road. I will be hitting the pavement pretty soon. So I'm on the pavement right now, and she seems to drive pretty fine. I do hear lifter tick. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what that's about. But she seems to drive okay. This is nice. This is nice. She drives pretty awesome. She drives pretty good. Sputters a little. I think it's still running too rich. I might have to tune that. I don't know what's going on. I really don't trust to drive the car long distances yet, but I will be driving it every day around my neighborhood to kind of break in the engine also. So yeah. So yeah, there we go. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but she's leaking oil, and I do not know from where it comes from. I might have to check. I'm not sure where it comes from. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. I will be working on the car a lot more often now. So I will keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for the coming updates.